Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys how to deposit money on Bybit. So first, what you want to do is head on the Bybit website and then just make an account, and if you have one, let us proceed. So you can either press this button right here that says deposit, or just press buy crypto right here, and then you'll have two options. You can either do a fiat deposit or a crypto deposit, depends on which one you like. So in crypto deposit, you will deposit money using crypto, and in fiat, you will really use your money from your bank account. So it really depends on which one you choose. So let's just choose fiat deposit. Just click on that. And then what you want to do is just enter the amount of money that you want to deposit, like let's say 10 euro, and then just choose the payment method that you want to choose, and there's more payment options right here. So for example, let's choose Zen, and then just click on continue, and then enter your bank details, and then after that your money will be deposited. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to deposit money in Bybit. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.